Bonjour, Kinawea, Bigash Manoyayak, Migach Wendam, Gibajayak Mampi, and Nishnabik Nation Gizom Zinigan, and Nishnabin Kinwanan, Migach Wendam, Bernice Trudeau, B. Kinamagi Yang, Nongom. Hi, everyone. Thanks for coming here to our webinar featuring Anishinaabe words and phrases from the annual calendar, the Anishinaabe Nation Gizom Zinigan. Thank you to Bernice Trudeau for joining us to teach us today, this afternoon. Ali Darnay Indishnikas, Gitagan CB, the Vendagos, Anishna Bewin Enigan Zikadangan Dao, Anishna Beck Nation and Donchanaki. I'm Ali Darnay. I come from Garden River First Nation. I'm the Anishinaabe manager here at the Anishinaabe Nation. The Anishinaabe Department was launched in January of 2023 to support language reclamation, documentation, and revitalization. We also support Barbara Nolan's work, our Anishinaabe Inigan and the Enki Manjikwiabzi Tong Anishinaabe, the Language Revitalization Committee here at the Anishinaabe Nation. Now, Kintam Lori, I'm going to turn it over to you. Now.
Nahau. Chimigwech Gibajayak Kinwea, Lori McLeod Chabagishi Conditionakas, Chiging Don Jaba Minwan Nipasing Deben Dogwas, Nishnabek Nation Ndo Naki Tage, Nui Nakima Ali. Welcome to everyone, and we're going to begin today's session by the reciting of the Ngudwe Wangazit Anishinaabe. And if you like, please join in with me. Ngudwe Wangazit Anishinaabe, one Anishinaabe family. De Benjaged gi son Anishinaabe and a king, Gibid gon God and Manado Wadsuin. Creator placed Anishinaabe on the earth along with the gift of spirituality. Shkure nebe ake noden, Gibid gostanan we nagadoen among Mampish Kogmagong. Here on Mother Earth there were gifts given to the Anishinaabe to look after: fire, water, earth, and wind. De Benjage gimina gichetwa wendaguk, Anishinaben wa nagdunjin nandanishwaswe kinomarunan. The Creator gave Anishinaabe 7 sacred gifts to look after, to guide them. They are Zagidwin, Debwewin, Manaden Deboin, Nabwakawin, Debadendiswin, Gwekwadzuin, Minwa Akadeowin. Love, truth, respect, wisdom, humility, honesty, and bravery. De Benjage Kimin Gona Dedbenwe Wanagada Wendowin. Creator gave us sovereignty to govern ourselves. Kamna Dendana Gabe Joebak. Meanwhile Nango Mekwa Ejoebak. Meanwhile Gayabe Wanijoebak. We respect and honor the past, the present, and the future. How to me wetch. And this is the preamble to our Anishinaabe Nation Constitution. And these beautiful images were created for us by Shike Ba, our former lead elder of the Anishinaabe Nation, Gordon Wandabin Spa. And it tells the story of how we are connected. And just before we begin our session, I'd like to pay a little tribute here to our fabulous artist, Mshike Kwe, Autumn Smith, and she is from the Magnetawan First Nation, and she's of the Caribou clan, and she shared her beautiful artwork with us in this year's calendar. Each year we try to feature a new artist from Anishinaabe Nation territory, and so we are already working on the 2027 Anishinaabe Nation Gizasom Zinigan. And if you would like to be a part of us, please do get in touch. Naha, Chimigwach, Kintamali.
Naha, Chimigwach Lori. Angichi Nendam Monpi Yod, Bernice. I'm really happy that she's here today, Bernice Trudeau. Miigwech for joining us and sharing this month's phrases. Got Denjigekwe Junkazo. She grew up in an Anishinaabe speaking home and didn't learn English until she started school. The languages most spoken in her home were Ojibwe and Adawa. Her first teaching experience was in Doki's First Nation in 1993, where she taught Anishinaabe for grades kindergarten to 4. She has taught Anishinaabe at Georgian College in Barrie, as well as several courses in Indigenous Studies and Anishinaabe program for 10 years. She's known for her humor, generosity, and kindness. She's passionate about her language, and these days she dedicates her time to supporting various immersion camps. We always have lots of fun when we cross paths with Bernice and learn lots. She's been doing this work for the last 10 years, as well as teaching in communities and Zoom sessions when needed, like today. And then we've got a quote here from her. Dúis có gitsimach abchwa dosag tong do nue nana kikda. Ginin. Now, Chimagwech Bernice, for joining us this afternoon. We appreciate your contributions and the teachings you share, and we're going to turn it over to you. Now, Mashtada.
I don't remember writing that part. The the last part. That I'm known for my humor.
That was me.
Oh, oh. So you should be on the and them. I thought maybe I wrote that and didn't remember. But I don't know. I don't think I could write about myself if I tried. And how? Dat the gagamin, Jesus, kedwinan. Gaingi kchik kensin edming manda Jesus. Dat the gagamin. Nam geni pane gishan undam woban benomen wob manda p nam Mika Godik. I always heard it was that rice moon. Mi geni ga kendama. Mish manda giam domaga wegun didn't manzin mandan didn't I really didn't know much about it. Mi da shigen dasya ha gimme gwedege anish edming manda pigizes anin kedok. Dat gagamin ag gizes kedok anin. Dat nage dat gagamin. Dat gagamin. Blackberry moon. Gimme gwedet. Nam das nam. Bangin gishe bige. Ga mi winte magwa. Ga kedot. Mi manda pi notch chigadek manda zakichagan. That's when they celebrate this plant. They honor this plant. Notch to na. Mi go option tamagat chigadek king. It was the first plant that was placed on Mother Earth. Jibi God there.
Ani Bernice, I have the first question, and I know there is a difference between kadem skomen
Yeah.
and datgugmin. And I'm wondering if you could tell me what the datgugmin part means.
I didn't hear this, Lori, growing up. We went with the rice in August. So this is kind of new to me too. Gent mashi go gishpen manda that and it's spelled differently the way I have it here. That gagamin. Gog. I'd have to take time to break it down. I can't do it just on the like right now. I would have to think about it and start breaking it down. Edming na. Get to an edming. Nam she goes gikedok. Nam Oshmen on the batinak. There's more. There's an abundance more. And so it's a bun every 3 years. Kaya go and sungo bun batin sa nonanda. It's not every year that there's an abundance of them. Kaya batin sa non and sa babon gweta. Nam das nabadat manda winsa staming mino weekend ming. Oda pi majat wea. Pi wea na majat. Na man pi king. Oda maset ni king. Jaja kokejat wa king anin ishna kadana. Ejang. Man pi na majang. Oda wina kweshkwat mi na gaken margin. Mi not shagadek manda. Jesus. Nám sé gine habe an dé ein habe gná be mat sa Jack. Ná wim quendeming to remember. Wim quendeming mag wim gemendeming ná when we start growing in a spiritual sense. Pi na anstoing be mat sa ná we we must saying mi no kenna e mi na gwezing all our blessings can we go man going. Mi no na we'n quite gadig as in the mine and for our prayers to be answered. We'n quite gadig gai na gai kine as an end ming weeps whips no it doesn't happen on human schedule. We no gondak na nada magin me me ajek gamach ajek nent moat me pieg as webak when they feel it's right when the time is right. Me PPG naktip na ming wege wedding. That's when we receive answers to our prayers. Me mneke ken the mag anyway. Um, Montagises. And I just translated this. It's written in English. G nakshwongi na angina ngine kitgenian and ma nishnabe mia. Shagana shibi got them on the gent go. It's written in English as I was reading it, translating it. Nishnabe mwin. Mia. Na how? Gamat stash man gen ma. They should be got again. Madigeza nongo. Okay, we go get them. Sure. Not yet. Madigeza nongo. Today is the beginning of the month. When the month begins. Madigeza. Gina gona gi madigeza. Was it the beginning of the month yesterday? Gina gona gi madigeza. Odam no gijagat. Odam no gijagat. Is that how you say holiday? I never heard the word for holiday. I didn't put that in there, did I?
Oh.
Yeah.
It's it is one of the ways that we've been, I guess, shared.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. Okay, now I'm getting it kung ikit, but just a very literal almost translation for
Yeah.
like it's a day of kind of like a day of rest when you're on holiday. Yeah. Ne
I've
ne
heard that too, that like you're saying, like a resting day.
eh.
Uh,
Yeah. Ne bigijagat like for one day. Good no epini naipi, you're resting, right? Or should be. Guys, she
meanwhile, kadan no
ne
web sugar.
no bigijagat. Unueben,
Mm.
go and rest.
Yeah.
Unueben, nuepigishagat.
This one's funny because August the 3rd, it's called Civic Holiday, and then we're like, what does civic even mean?
Gaigadak Gensi na gaini naga de bensi no and then we wouldn't know because those aren't our
Yeah.
holidays.
And then we're
Eh.
like, it's a holiday. It's just a day off. It's a day to have fun. And we're like, oh, okay. Odam Gisha got play day.
Oh, yeah, fun day. We them nang to have fun, play. Yeah, with yeah. Amigo genin qua es webzion. That happens to me too. Amigo genin qua es webzion. Da bam segna batch. Da bam segna batch. Zombe ka bindik numbed up. I'm sitting inside too much. Zombe ka bindik numbed up. Ane. As the button give up ma keep mo sound on go. Get chin and dum qua give up ma suck. Get chin and dum qua give up ma suck. So come up nungo Louisa. Oh, ge una qui jijim. Ge una quim jijim. Na hop, kwejagan kadagi bido. Kwejagan kadagi bido. Naha mi gweta we. Eh. Nang gut nang ude nang kind me jwat Sean mistake. Sani benage gun dam judge me gok. Osh me gun we no bakchi genje. I'm busy shopping for them. Mi da snin gain da de peach tossi. We are magedi menes ya. Then I forget all my stuff. Ogi shna do am bagen indan endan. Da gimo des da shnungo. I sneak the this. Go in going the more seek Sean goja. I won't tell them when I'm going somewhere. Nin das war nothing about all that too. I take my time. You know, the Jacques can a daiga mo nin in dwen the ma. We gish na don ba gish na don. Kay. Das nie ben upskim dan gondok skin on an begin agish ben wind mo go. I have so much bags. Most of it is theirs. Gish ben. Pagi shna jigyan pa yo jigyan. Gawin das gaiwe gawin the mossy. Gawin way gawin the mossy go to join. Don't tell anybody when you're going somewhere. Yeah. Naha. Mageg da bai Jill. Mageg da bai pawi Jill. Naha. Ga pa ga pam dabanik. Naha ga pam dabanik. Anish P one machayan. Anish. You can also say this Anish P one machayin. When are we leaving? Anish P one machayin. Mom, the way it's written here, Anish P one machayin, you're only asking that driver, or hopefully the driver that asked you to go with them. Oh, bye, Jit. Anish P one machayin. What time he or she plans on leaving. Gishpendash wea when it's P one machayin. You're asking the same question, but you're including yourself when it's P one machayin. Shanksa de bagnek. 9 o'clock. It's 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock. Ninang gijabiano eh. Mergocho no. Shanksa de bagnek. Gawin wingo che. Oh, gawin wigo. Get chajoni amsi. Gawin wigo get chajoni amsi. I don't have a lot of money though. Gegagum bokska. I'm almost broke. Gegagum bokska. Gawin gego. Go. Well, that's okay. Nin dan Jonias. Jonia. Shangega mugung kawisaneme. Na kwek nin gadabaan. Nin gadabaan. I will pay for it.
Excuse me, Bernice, could you do number 19 again?
Nin daan. Jonias. I have money. Nin. I have money. Nin daan Jonias. Nahaw now sap genin. Gashitchge goding. Jonias mea. Na sap geni gashitchge. Goding. Jonias mea. Okay, I will do the same one day when I have money. Now stop. Same. Genin. I will do ngashitchige. One day. Goding. Jonias mea when I have money. Nah, how ngashita. Okay, I will get ready. Pingashitchige. Ellie will do. Pishkiabe. Wajayan. Where else are you going? Gishpinguya adomat. Gishpinguya adomat. If you ask someone to go with them, you normally don't tell them where to go. Gai Queen de Mossy go shot. Keen gigwedge mark. Pishiaba washayan. Where else are you going? Jimmy, Jimmy Daiga magong etta. Just a grocery store. Jimmy Daiga magong etta. Oh, eh. Gega. Gega an dunen Mishkiki man ge. Abadik nui notnan. I almost forgot. Gega an dunen Mishkiki man, my prescription. I have to get my medicine too. Mishkiki man ge. Abadik nui notnan. I also have to pick up my prescription, my medicine. Nishin gi gwejmian. It's a good thing you asked. Because you just reminded her, keep kuama. Keep kuama, you reminded her. Oh, but they give them all mishkin we bought on it. They have to pick up their medicine too. Mishkiman. Nangod nong mi ejwebak. Sometimes that's what happens. We yage go to batami kat up ko make go. Oh wow, dik ti nage o den nijo. Oh, dik nui not in way. I have to go get this. Mit bat shigodik. Now, kuyanja. Doggy, Nendan. Doggy, Nendan. I would have forgot. Keep Kuoman, does he or she reminded that person. Keep Kuoman. Mish, na how? Because she talk getting. Nui, gsibi gje mi no, ge go nui ke michen. We struggle with this word a lot, michen. But no, that could be a whole lesson too, no, kinumadwin and around that. Is it kidang kinanen kidwinan mijim teg wisnin mem dage wisnin paneg dan undan. But Tina, there's so many ways to use that word. And then same with cooking. Jiba kwenge. Ginak se kwe gudum namasai ni benate nonja kidwinan. Somebody could teach that lesson as well, just around food, me pane, kadam jikana. We're always around food, pane feast, kadana, kumame wissen me. Kabishienda wisening.
About number 28, if with the N in the brackets, is that a dialect thing?
Anen kedo genin. Some use genin, like the N is pronounced at the end. We use geni, but I'm mindful of other speakers in there. Wodegi mekenomagyan, it's mostly, I think, in the South they use that. I don't know. Chumukwan king nagego. Go. Yeah. Chumukwan king ojik. Idik. Weeba co-opman. I will see you soon. Weeba co-opman. Mige go minoa shkogzat. Shgo, I guess. Do negi shgwe. Pane. Do negi shgwe. I'll have to share a funny story, just a short one. In Sakishep, the Jean Nimis and that every morning I go to my older sisters. Coffee dum na quen. Magdalbon dum na quen dan botched me. Mish na ma peach go na mi gwedge. Ma goni shag na ish gish gak and na. What day is it? Oni shish gish gak. Wangi kenzin. Wangi kidatas. Na am naben kidagi do be up gon sing. Mi gedi yeah. Look at your phone. That's how I know, she says, what day it is. Oh, and dan nam dat me. We sit in the boat with me, yeah. Me gave a bean to get to basic. The other one comes in. We're not gonna be. Come on, Peach, me gave quite it to. Oh, sugar on and goes gishgak. Get up, when she's gishgak. Me went to get home to me. We both look at each other. Okay, basic. Me goes, oh, she in the mongwa. I'm a Quincy. We don't remember. That was just like probably 20 minutes ago. Gin the mod youngish gishgak. Me shows. Kaya, I'm a Quincy. Mi saga mon pina ben den anda schon be go misse mon pina ben jemen jaganing mi jon da bi ga de kwe den oh ha na ha keta nen akshik mi on the mother be me at night we're sitting here in the tada me ko in san akshik de muesak mi se mon pitch mi no we kwe de ani en on go skishak ani ke non go skishak what day is it again on jidak kito mi go be jek pekka. Nga ken op mo pigi get obi op kon sing. Ken na mago na ningo giskat. The kwetch de me is giskat about 5 times a day. We're asking each other what day it is. Yo Bob ke Ali gigi go kade kaga mo peach cooked penis.
Yeah, I can relate. I can relate.
It happens to all of us. Oh, yeah. Up to one the negas me. Negas em nick peaching. Gyda'n yn undan cyn y gegw. Oh, my favorite one. Oh, mi gwechwynd min cydwyn yn. Dy bos y twa manda. Manda, dy bos y fi ma. Gain gich gen sy'n was y fi ma. I didn't know what to write. Gain gich gen sy'n was y fi ma na. Gi gwech mi go. Gich y fi mo ac da sian yn gobyg yn omogig. I reached out to some people I taught. No, ishkenigig. Ishkenmotsig. Sgynna dy mwysig, na dy mwysig yn dynnog. Wy'n eisiau bi mam bod yn dynnog. Ge gwech mi go eisiau bi, ja. Mi da sy'n andan i gacedwad. Ob jo cyn mod, that's what they really wanted to learn. Nanda cydwynan. Cos si go, gai go cyn amon pi, ge go tesnodig. Not everything is written here. Ob jo gna wat ti nat. Ja, be eisiau bi gadeg ba. So, mi gwech again dynnog na... Ga wy'n dy mwysig, ga nad mwysig na... Gai go nandan gi min wat sikid wyn an nam go na wet ag ikid og. E mi gwech wend ming ge go. En sa gishgak. Kina ge go gada mi gwech wend anang every day. En sa gishgak gada mi gwech wend anang kina ge go. Is min gwesing. Is min gwesing. Gai das na... Nang god nang. Gai go ma kwenzi na. Sometimes we forget. We don't remember to be grateful. We mi gwech wend ming. Mem da ge go na skad end ming. Ma ge ma not end ming. Especially when we're angry or sad. We forget good an end on we mi gwech wind me. Kina shwoge go winja shing. Gdo shim nop meseme. Gde banana. Ge won skad end migin. Ma ge ma not end migin. There's always some good that comes out of something that makes us angry or sad. Ge go she gde banana kino madwin. Wa not magin. Mage we becons that we not the mod or to help someone else come up peach along the way eventually. Yeah. Minosh kitchen jindana kina gabish nigga got nigga going get to go gishwe but that did happen. Even what talk up go between nishnabe nishnabek. They weren't treated very well. Gigo pichagazok. Even the gotchgazok. But non godas gnom da mingegi ne. Jamina Gwazing, what on even a go shake debon on. We got so much out of that. Me injip squad is and that's why we're so strong. Me no get namendming and determined. Kikchenad maganawe. That really helped when the gobani ni gan gobwichik, the ones who were before us, the ones that walked ahead of us. Me wanda ganin gatamot, ganin gatamaging, this is what they left for us. The makwendan kwe. Gochgo kojing unani bling. Don kojing konani bo na ma gejep. Nan god nong dan endan we kedi mi gochgek no gskijgon. No, but nani yakazet skijgon. There's a lot of people who who can't see or who are having issues with their eyes. And we forget to be grateful for those, to be thankful. Gskijgon. Ktoga nan ga. Your ears, ktoga nan. Gada and guy non siok. There are some who can't hear. Gadon ga. We gadain when just shinga go we not kwijip modest. So you can say good things about others and to others when just shinga go. Kinogo ga go yaming. But tina where there's a lot of people who don't have those simple things we think. You know. Ja, bishigegi ne ejekskit maing. Gadonenda na we me gwech windming. It's a gijabok. We forget to be grateful for those things. Mi mnegesh zamdonia. Mi now. Mi gwech wendam in sagijgok. Ejamin gwesian. Mi gwech bimodzuin. Mi gwech ejen gododesian. Mi noan nuich keik. Nuich we. What? Nuich weyak. Nuich weyak. Okay, we say nuich keik ndeketgeni. Ni no wengishabiot. Nuich keik. Nuich ke. Nuich keik. Mi gwech ge keno madwinan. Wewene we must say young. Mi gwech ge keno madwinan. Wewene we must say young. Mi gwech nebe. Mi gwech no kamis na. And so Jesus bejwen mi young. Bejwen mi young. And so go Jesus na we have our full moon ceremonies. Mi pim na chingo. Ko kamis na. No kamis na. That's when we honor her and have that ceremony for her. Little king. Mi gwech misho Jesus. Bezaging gwenet. For showing his beautiful face sometimes. Bezaging gwenet. Mi gwech ge is minigishgok. Thank you for all the beautiful days. Is minigishgok. Am I frozen or are they? Oh. Anisha Oh.
Allie, are you able to change the slide?
I'll leave in the watch now. I'm going to just know now.
Sometimes her internet gets a little slow.
I think mean what gosh webs it's lagging now. Who's web then?
I think it might have cut out.
Yeah.
Well, hang on for a second and she will probably she probably has to re-sign in. Sometimes it
Okay.
just kind of boots her out and then she can come back in.
Oh no.
In the meantime, can I ask a question?
Anybody have questions?
I do. I'm preparing for a presentation and I wanted to say, like, we often hear this in ceremony about Nishnabek, that we are the sweetgrass people. So
Mm-hmm.
I wrote this in the chat. I put it in the chat, and I'm wondering if you can tell me if it's correct. I had asked another speaker, and they were saying, well, I'm not sure if we would say something like that in the language. So I'm wondering what you think. Does that, or should it be Godalmik?
Um,
Does that make sense?
what do you when you walk it in, Lori? What is it you want to say? We are the sweetgrass people?
Yeah. This Anishinaabe are generally known as the sweetgrass people.
Okay. Can um Godagin system more. Can you explain that a bit to me? Like what that all means? What it entails?
I guess that when sweetgrass is connected with kindness, and
Yeah.
so in ceremony that's how we are as a people.
Mm-hmm.
They say about us that we follow the sweetgrass road, you know.
Okay. Hmm. Okay. So
I put something in the chat. I don't know if you can see the chat, but I'm
ka
wondering if that
meron das in.
Wing
Oh,
in the
Becca, I'll go in there.
uh,
Hmm.
Allie, are you able to bring the PowerPoint back up?
Sorry about that.
Can you look? Oh, never mind. It's right there. I know das in. I still can't see.
I'm going to copy it over to the big slide,
Okay.
and then you can take a look at it over there. There. You should see it pop up in the middle. I'm going to make it a bit bigger and bold it. There. So
Oh,
she put
no.
this in the chat.
No. Okay, we'll get him on this way, but I'm not able to slide down to read it. Oh, jeez, Becca. No. Winkas be mat sidjik. Gedomen, gedomen. Hmm. Eh, no, asked you what that meant, but the queen and system kin we edming. You would have to explain what that means, um, what it all entails. Anish and Jikidina, Anish, why are you saying that we're sweetgrass people? What's the teaching behind that? Winesh kinoma dwinyawang. Because Gai kin sistos no, even I couldn't understand that. I know what it means, but we're reading more into that, and Sustangik, the ones who understand that, would read a lot more into that statement and then start asking questions. When Eshedming, what does that mean?
It's like
Did somebody say something?
Yeah, it's as I mentioned a little earlier that Wingush is associated with kindness, you know,
Yeah,
the coming together of there's, the mind, the body, the spirit sort of thing. And then
yeah.
too, as the Three Fires Confederacy, the Ojibwe, the Odawa, the Potawatomi.
Mm-hmm.
So I guess there's that symbolism there too as well.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. So Kinogonishnabek, right? Kinogonishnabek Mandadano. Yeah. Gdaume, Sagana. So Wingash be Marchik, Gdaume, Gdaumin. Me on the nipping the watch Mandajik Kedwat Gdaumin. I'm telling by the dialect. Yeah, me go.
Naha,
Me nabigodik.
Chimigwech.
Now me go chigegi. Gins us the for me to fully understand what that meant. Now me go can I go go te go chagodek. Me Jim go Jim nugging. Me go can I go te go chagodek. Me Jim go Jim nugging. That it grew so well that it Him nuggin, can I go It was good food. And that was grown. Ktigoning. You can hear that word in there, ktigodzik. You can't debatchigodik. It kind of helps you understand what is being really said there. Talking about food from the garden. Mi gwechge, skikin, ga kino moyang, we know moyang. And thank you for the medicines, for teaching us the medicines to help us heal. Kine gwetejne snabing, ki min rume wek skezewin. Min o kend mausewin. Kine etan snabek. Ki min rume. Win skezewin. Min o, we kend mingwe for us to know. We were the only ones given that gift by no creator, Gimnado. We kende ming skikkin og na kazang how to use them en abedak. Minos we na kazing gispin endeming if we want to. Eskam we go gain a snabek when panendemo goshme jat kok don't stop no mot oshme when panat pida shitcha jitwat und skikke. Mage ba kibadwat, it's easier. Up to go Gaya up to go yan pen manzin na snabemskikke. Not too many people will snabek even. Gaya but don't cost they don't use it that much anymore. Nin wigo. I would rather use that than Joganoshimskikke drugstore tick. Depends. Yeah. Ba gwedge ma gwe ya ge kendanga ba. When is gonna cause yamba. Magagwe ya non-twitch get or a healer and non-twitch get bandanyawa. Mimikwe when I'll ask people when is go up magaba or bishge jamba, where can I go? Can I see? We debinama and up skeke Magawin in the met, to get the medicine or for them to check me out. Up Jakogim Shkozi okay, they were really, really strong. Gikenda na was non-twitch they knew how to heal people. Through ceremony be Krishnam skikke migwad. Kino goes on dabadadewe. All that medicine goes here. Gda nago kena. We have it. For kino go gego. Na mgego pteguk. Daga konshe kish kwanami je anen badakdeg. Abdik shigo quick ken dan pi. Well, no, what kibidoin. You have to know when to pick it and exactly where. Just like everything else, Nishodain Mabadon. Nishodain, there's a twin. Egopskeke, Kenogego. On inchwe guy nishes no. They say the medicine Pskeke mene is hingi spin nimkibak, debnaman poison ivy, nimkibak. Debnaman migoshe besh shabadakadek. Gena kazamba. They say the medicine you need to reverse that grows close to that medicine. Mi geni gakket banan nosba. Mi go be shabata kadek we gena kazamba gikada to heal that. Bejik shigo while I'm on the topic of medicine, kada bach matonim gego. Bejit bach mos nosba geni ga indemagian. Ishkinigian kada hishke shkinini yangi panengi bandan yan shkeke. Kada. Odishki sha doga ningo jene king chanokaming. Mi sagi de bom da ma sam degna jun saki chagan keda up jo spagi keda. Spa magat up chugo no keda. De way basen she manda pep de way basen. Giken dan chugo skiki one way keda. De gugu manda skike one chip skike. Mi siŵr de gine Sean, gine se gad esse o de. Gip kebe don't chweke da bangi, kai go ni bena. We should know more at etta bejek de moin. Man pi we wedge mat wenesh man de yawang wenesh man da pskeke. Mi so gibe ma cha o de keda. Giunda ne oswom de moe keda. We should know more kwe. Jo, de gonchu ja, bishu na man da gante ne man. Chupskeke man da, de gonchu ja. Oh, de doga ning no kamingin de nan man da de nan ja. Abish. Det går inte igen en det må en. Margin sin geni ode. Go am dan geni, go kebe don geni. Det går inte igen. Ana ha kabinanen. Geschäft det går det nans i det kna no sba. Oh shine nana kom det må ek da. Kada man go jo chans så det var gnek. Gina ma charm ek da. Pio det går net go snank da gi am da ma go tant kamage i batti nat keda. Ni bna det gitte. Gau goch bejek sa kichun tesno keda. Gau gwego, kena omje shwan wek te gan keda. I te kwe. So, mom ka dendam keda. Ani shwan aidek. Ga shwevak. Mi go shon dagi te kwe. De nani en de moin. Get shub maseme. Keda no seba. Get shub maseme. Da ne mang webske keda. Gma peach. Ni jo da bagi son go ge gangi maseme keda. Mi siedek ma peach son man adendam chung guina shaya. Kiitos nos. Gibas mama vagi nende matek. Ma ke gainche dan ni jenu mak siemskekke. Nende matek ma ba nende mige. Mige nae. Kiitos jom de moe ambe. Bakka dege ni sugo. Nui negi ete kutsige no tsugo tskatsi kedam na. No sapa. Mi siip skabi ang wikwem kunkeda sam munjugo nae jan ekkeda man adenda mugo. Mi siedek ne nat de moe Gikken dan go jegi batti nakwe, se gatche gashi nakke, gas tam gashaing. Oh, de gonchien en de moin. Te dek so go je. Nin schrein dan duen dages es si we wam dama. Bib skabin chan da wo, skabin o de wo de gonchien. Ke no go je da butak de we de gonie. Oh, mi se de kip skabit nos, ene wo bang. Ge gette. Ke no go jegi butak de ke da. Ma bom te mo gai gi nen dag se si we om dange. Mi no we yang epskeke. Git kesom gotche. Nam kamek ne apke na gine pede. Wipskeke wipi. O de gijat. Mi e ga noch ma pannos. Nos ba. Na, angashaga na shim shanch mi no manda de batta ma. We godeng na mi show mi no in a snavia me. Oh, then my dad was out picking medicine one day, and he was out in South Bay somewhere, and he saw this plant that was really it was really swaying in the wind, and it was really tall. Ishpimagat. It was really tall, and somehow he knew that was medicine. Gihken danugo kedam shkeke aone chumshkeke. So I guess he picked a few of those plants. Guy wouldn't even have kid, not much. And he was bringing it back to show an old lady in Wiki and ask her what it was. Someone he thought might know, who might know. So he said, I came home and I went to her place and I showed her the plants. And she said, "Shtaha, this is a huge medicine. This is one of our bigger medicines. Where did you get this?" So my dad told her, "Oh, the doganing, the non-man, there's lots of it. There's lots in that field, the non-chinga. Patinat. Oh, get the shiragum demoe. Take me there tomorrow. I want to see it and I want to pick it too, the non-edic. No, son. Oh, mi sagi machina, get a machina, the whip kebedote. When they got there, there was nothing there. That whole field. was bare. Go watch basic, not even one. Go watch basic, say go but no. No, Boppa. So he was really surprised and wondered, Onish, what happened to it? There was a whole field here, and there's nothing now. Where did it go? Then I guess he thought he was second guessing himself and thought maybe this wasn't the spot. So they walked and walked, him and that old lady. Misago gaigego. They couldn't find anything. There was nothing. So I guess he told her, she wanted to leave. She was getting tired and hungry, said she was hungry. So just take me home. So they came back, and I guess he was telling her, I know it was there. And there was lots of it when I came here yesterday. So I guess that old lady said, oh, it probably is there. It's just not meant for me to see it. Because I don't know why she said, but it's only meant for you. So make sure you come back here tomorrow, and it'll be there. So sure enough, my dad went back the next day. It was all there. The very first spot where he took her. She wasn't meant to know that medicine or to have that medicine. But my dad said, I didn't understand why. Mish anen ani shidigajik. I guess that ginen boom demo not long after. She passed not long after that. I guess that's why she wasn't meant to have it. Because she wouldn't have been able to teach it very long. That me gosh webak. But he said some of these medicines are only meant for certain people also to use and to teach. Kay kinawaya, not everybody. Kay the shigo kinonistad zin munjanjishwebita. I don't fully understand why that is, he said. Doesn't mean they're gonna die like within a week or two. It's other reasons, he said. But that's not the only reason. Me, I got not mapa. Yeah, now. See, I'm getting sidetracked with other things. Remember the when I get into the medicine? Oh, there's so many things. Now, where was I? Mshkike. Now, not mushenang, we've no dapanamong, the mishkib nanen, minwa, we debwet mong, ejem, nobadak. Yeah, I kind of talked about that. That we take them back in a good way, that we use our medicines and believe in how well. You don't even have to believe because the proof is in the medicine, right? But tapa naman, nakimagadon ko na, and you find out that they do work. Kina et jeune schnapping kimin go mewe kend mauswin. The schnabe get to gimina okwe kend mauswin. We were the only ones given that knowledge. Mi gwech wind mada. Ja, ming insa gijagak. Wa mi ching. Let's be thankful we have food to eat every day. Miigwech wind mada. Ja, ming insa gijagak wa mi ching. Gai kina waya nope, Mrs. Yeah, not everyone can do that every day. Ishkamgo. Nigazuk. There's more and more people. Quinn madanik namaing eakasajik minwa on minjagajik, the one struggling, on minjagajik. And that can be struggling in a physical way, mental, emotional, spiritual, and the ones who are not well. The ones we see who are struggling with addictions. Kasi okay. We don't look at them in that negative way. We remember them in our prayers and Sigijuluk. Uh, uh-huh. Begin in Sagijgak, Sama, me witch windman. Offer your tobacco every day to give thanks. Me witch windan, giabe. Ja, en snabb check. Bem wind old check don winina. Quenim rege, no mine. Pray for those ones too. Me gwetchge gni Johnson onic. Na the mushin on we win we can umungwa. I say this prayer every single day. Mim da ge gubin ochiak. Now, Ali. Me. Ge gonendige en sagish gok nebe. We no metman. Kchip ten dagot. Me gonel sub. Okay. Same for the earth. Zwin mishnong shemnedo. Zwin mishnong. Me gwetch. Oh. Ge gona gwiak. Gwigwedjim. Gwigwedjimim. Ge gona gwigwedjimim. Go.
I seem to recall something about a song. Was there a song, Lori?
No, that was last time. You missed it, Ellie.
It's
I
my
sang,
chance.
I sang a song last time.
I thought we didn't have enough time for the song.
Oh. Well, we're not on Spiegel time 3:30 or 3.
However long.
However long?
We schedule for an hour, but we're always
Oh.
open. We're always open to staying on for as long as it takes to get through things.
Oh,
Answer
okay.
questions for anybody.
So
We do have a bit
nobody
of a
has any
smaller.
questions?
So far, we're not getting any questions.
Okay, I will sing a
popping up.
song then, just for you.
Woo! Miigwech.
Uh-huh. Kannagam tonem. I will sing for you. Should I get my drum or sing without the drum? Ganaden degan, Becca. I will go get it. Then if I drum, I have to put a skirt on. Okay.
Ali, did you want to talk about the next session that we have coming up then while we're
Sure. I did have a slide in there, but I'm not going to go back to my screen share. We do have our next session scheduled for September the 1st at 2 p.m. We'll be covering, of course, Wawabaga phrases with Barbara Nolan, our Anishinaabe Amy Gamadod. So she'll be joining us to go over those phrases. Check us out on Facebook. That's how you always stay in the know with what's happening here at the Anishinaabe Nation. Ooh, Kunajo
Oh.
beautiful.
Dimo es manda non which can give me neck berry
Ooh,
injaba. Give me the boba. Ma job George. Now how? Mashirik. No, I'm gonna come tan. Bish me no, nebe. I oh, but again, Sagish, got it up Quendana. Donna met me in the bed, me no care. We should try and remember to say a prayer every day for the water and, and the earth. Okay, we know Jamot, so they can heal as well. I'm gonna yeah. Mga na mo, even a song. We na twine. You don't have to do it in front of a room full of people. Then Chicago, no. In Dadaik, where you live, Mage Jigabik, without mud up. I used to do that a lot. Jigabik kung yun numbed up. Get your don't nugget more than Chicago all by myself. That's really, really good. Nishinwe, to have that space. Go over the bang. You don't have to go sit there for a long time. Just take that time for yourself. 15 minutes, even 10 minutes. Pull over. Up to go somewhere. Get out the magon. Clears your mind. Now, Nebiabog dozagen. Nebiabog menaden. Nebiabog dugbosen men. Begesh gegijwen meyen. Nebiabog dozagen. Minoget menaden men. Nebiabog dugbosen Begeşkegi noçmoyen. Nebia bumi kweçkdenin. Pane bejeşvenmeyen. Nebia bo nadmoşen. Pane genep kwenmeşen. Nebia bogdosagen. Panegegmenaden Nebia bonugbossendam Begeshkegi nochmoyen Begeshkegi nochmoyen. Now, mime.
Well, Chigwet.
Now, mi gwechkegi no. Goshwe abe we gwede si. Idik.
Well, I don't see any
Really,
questions
I
popping
wish
up.
you should be.
We do have a thank
Oh,
you. Prachi says, Miigwech, it was beautiful. That was a very beautiful song. Thank you for sharing it with us.
no, me gwitch.
All right.
Ishkishi tiny de.
Well, Miigwech Kinabia Gibajayak. Thank you to everyone who joined us this afternoon. We don't see any questions popping up. I don't see Lori jumping in with one last question there.
I know, right?
So, yeah. Now's
Lori,
your
are you
chance.
sure you don't have any questions?
Always. Panegua.
Yeah, this is your chance. Even phrases you may have wanted to learn. Personal phrases. This is your chance.
Oh,
You can hear me say them.
here she goes.
Okay, so since we're on the topic of medicines, and if anybody has to sign off, please know that we upload the recordings to the Anishinaabeg Nation YouTube channel. So, if you have to leave, please know that you can catch up with us on there again later. But since we have this opportunity to ask questions, and we're talking about medicine. We have different medicines that we pick at different times of the day. So I'm wondering how we would say, um, in the morning, we pick the medicines that are close to the ground, that grow close to the ground.
Is that early in the morning or just morning?
Morning.
Okay.
And this is what I'm thinking of, that in the morning, we pick things like low bush cranberries, things like that. And in
Yeah.
afternoon, we pick things that are higher up in the trees, like let's say apples. And then towards the end of the day, we pick the medicines and foods found below the ground, like things like potatoes, spinach, things like
Mm-hmm.
that, so that we're always following the maximum flow of the energy,
Mm-hmm.
so.
Kajip. Mi peep kibidoying. Skidka. Takmek is all kick.
Okay.
Anschkedan.
Kajab mipi kibdoying mshkike. And then I lost the word. And then you said ezalkik.
Okay. Um, Takmek. Takmek is all kick. Pretty good though. Get all go can knock it on you almost good at all.
Ezalkik. Oh, naha mi grach.
Mishmina Shkona Quake, you said the afternoon. Shkona Quake is afternoon. Shkona Quake shge um say that in English again, Gokidi,
Okay.
when you describe
In the afternoon, we pick the medicine that grows higher up.
on how. Shkona Quake Oshme Spimming um Oshme Ishpa Beka. I'm just playing with words.
Uh-huh.
Uh, Ishpaging. Me peep kippadoing. Ishpakif? No. Sgwna quack, EP, ish, ishbach, ki, skik, kibbedoing. Spaghetti. No like spimming, ishbach, ki,
Spaki.
ishbach, geek, ishbach, geek, ishbach, geegan. Because we're talking about medicine, but you talked about apples, in another sense.
Yeah, or high bush cranberries, anything that grows higher up.
Ik weet niet, spimming or smebbit kedig. That's another way you can say it. Egwin dicko, spimming ushme betkidik. Anything that grows up higher. Egwin dicko, spimming ushme betkidik. When is she kidding? What was the other one? Evening or
Yeah,
late?
uh, let's say oh, it's actually late afternoon. It's not even really evening, but later then we pick the foods found below the ground.
The bajish is ach gigan. Nishkin akshik. Gudop kibedonanen.
Now,
Mhm.
and I just wanted to say that I think it sounds like that medicine that your dad found was Mashomas jibik. Mashomas jibik is the grandfather root, and we're told that it is the leader of all the medicines, and it grows really
Oh.
tall like that.
Oh, wow. Vad synd. Namnet Temagacher. Woskones. Does it flower? Like, is there a...
Uh, yes, small flowers,
Oh, okay. Gangi
big,
Womdasin.
big leaves, and it grows like tall, like it grows
Yeah,
uh
yeah.
eight 8 feet.
Mm, I don't think it was that big. Not eight
Wow.
feet.
It can grow like as it's growing, like it
Yeah,
can get that tall, but it might be about 5, 6 feet,
yeah.
as it's growing, depending upon when he goes.
Yeah.
How?
The song any present mamba. Yeah. I wish I'd listened more when I was young. Ni ben nage gunda ich ken dan I would have known so much more around. Skikke. Ich ken de man ook na Gitsimach. They knew the medicines. Oh, well.
Na how chmiquetch.
Na how? Mi gwech gegi no. Ibs and week me no. Mama?
Siomigwech, Kinwea. Thanks again, Bernice.
Yeah, to mi gwech.